Hello everyone. Welcome back to FutureMate, where we dive into smart investment ideas for building a better financial future. If you're new here, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. Today, I'm excited to share with you 6 amazing yet undiscovered stocks that could potentially deliver excellent returns over the next 5 to 10 years. Everyone talks about the big names: Apple, Tesla, Amazon. But those stocks are often expensive and already crowded with investors. The real wealth is often found in hidden gems. Companies flying under the radar but with massive growth potential. Of course, investing in smaller or lesser-known stocks comes with risks too. And I'll be giving you some essential advice at the end so you can invest smartly and protect yourself from unnecessary losses. Let's jump right in. Undiscovered or undervalued stocks are powerful wealth-building opportunities because they often trade far below their future potential. Big, well-known companies are already priced for perfection, meaning their stock prices often reflect years of expected growth. Smaller, lesser-known companies, however, are sometimes overlooked, giving early investors a chance to buy before the rest of the market catches on. These hidden gems could be innovators in emerging industries or well-established businesses quietly expanding in niche markets. If you get in early on the right one, your returns could be significant, sometimes multiplying your investment. But they also carry higher volatility, less liquidity, and more uncertainty. That's why research and careful selection are key. For this list, I've used the following selection criteria: strong business model with clear growth drivers, presence in industries with strong future potential, such as green energy, AI, biotech, or digital infrastructure, healthy financials or a realistic path to profitability, undervalued or relatively unknown in the broader investing community, recent innovations, partnerships, or developments that could spark growth. Remember, no stock is guaranteed to succeed. The goal here is to highlight opportunities worth adding to your watch list and researching further. Stock No. 1. Greenwave Energy. Greenwave Energy is revolutionizing ocean-based renewable energy. They've developed technology to harness tidal and wave power, producing clean electricity with minimal environmental impact. While solar and wind dominate headlines, tidal energy is still in early adoption, meaning fewer competitors and huge untapped potential. Governments worldwide are pushing for renewable energy expansion, and Greenwave already has pilot projects running in key coastal regions. The renewable energy market is projected to grow over 10% annually this decade, giving companies like Greenwave plenty of room to scale. Financially, they're small but promising, with revenue growth of 30% year over year and manageable debt levels. Risks include regulatory approvals and the challenge of scaling ocean-based energy systems. But if they succeed, the upside is substantial. Stock number 2. Neurotech Solutions. Neurotech Solutions is a biotech innovator developing brain-computer interface technology. Their goal is to allow direct communication between human brains and devices, with applications in medicine, accessibility, and even next-generation VR/AR experiences. Still in early clinical trials, they're under the radar for most investors. But with the neurotech market projected to exceed $30 billion by 2030, being an early player could be a huge advantage. They're pre-profit and investing heavily in R&D, but they have strong cash reserves. As with any biotech, risks include regulatory approval, clinical trial success, and long development cycles, making this a high-risk, high-reward pick for patient investors. Stock number 3. CloudFrame Inc. CloudFrame Inc. is making waves in the cybersecurity space, focusing on protecting cloud-based systems with AI-powered threat detection. As more businesses shift to cloud computing, securing sensitive data becomes a top priority. Despite their impressive tech and 25% annual revenue growth, CloudFrame remains relatively unknown outside the cybersecurity sector. Competitors include industry giants, but their niche focus and AI-driven approach help them stand out. Risks include the fast-changing nature of cybersecurity and the constant need for innovation to stay ahead of hackers. Stock number 4. AI Horizons. AI Horizons develops advanced AI software for business automation and analytics, helping companies save time and gain deeper insights into customer behavior. Although AI has been a hot topic lately, AI Horizons is still a hidden gem. Their solutions cater to small and mid-sized businesses, an underserved segment compared to the corporate-focused products from tech giants. They're growing revenue but reinvesting heavily into AI research. Risks include rapid technological changes and competition, but the market for AI-powered business tools is only getting bigger. Stock number 5. PayNext. PayNext is a fintech startup making international money transfers faster, cheaper, and easier, especially for underserved communities. The global remittance market is booming, and PayNext's app offers transparent fees and near-instant transfers. While competing against giants like PayPal and Wise, their unique focus on niche markets and strategic partnerships could help them carve out a strong position. Risks include regulatory hurdles and the constant race to offer better exchange rates and services. Stock number 6. Emerging Markets Growth Fund. EMGF. The Emerging Markets Growth Fund invests in a portfolio of startups across high-growth economies such as India, Southeast Asia, and Africa. Instead of betting on just one company, you're gaining exposure to multiple emerging market innovators. These economies are projected to grow faster than developed nations in the coming decade, offering huge opportunities in areas like e-commerce, renewable energy, and fintech. Risks include political instability, currency fluctuations, and differing regulations, but diversification within the fund helps spread that risk. Now, before you consider investing in any of these, here's an important disclaimer. I am not a licensed financial advisor. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Stock investments carry risks, and you could lose money. Always do your own research, and if needed, consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. Here are some final tips to invest smartly in these kinds of opportunities. Use dollar-cost averaging. Invest small amounts regularly instead of lump sums to reduce timing risk. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one company or sector. Keep track of news and quarterly earnings reports to monitor progress. Set stop-loss orders to manage potential losses. Consider tax-efficient investment accounts like IRAs in the US or ISAs in the UK to maximize your returns. That's it for today's list of 6 undiscovered stocks with high growth potential. Which one caught your attention? Or do you have a hidden gem that deserves the spotlight? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who's looking for smart investment ideas, and subscribe to FutureMate for more strategies to build a stronger financial future. Until next time, invest wisely and stay financially smart.